To turn this actually into a mat, you're going to say, but I've got no binding. That too isn't a problem because we can do a fast turn method. So let me show you how to do that too. We're going to take a piece of wadding that is bigger than I need. We're going to take a bit of backing that is bigger than I need. And the backing, can't tell with the calico, I know, but the backing is right side up. And we're going to pop this right side down. And with lots of pins, I would, I need to pin this into place. Around here, you don't need me to show you that. And the sewing, I would sew with a walking foot. The sewing needs to be all the way around except for space. You need to leave yourself a space to turn it. So once you've sewn it all the way around, you can trim it back to the edge of your project, trim the corners off, and then it will turn through the hole. And you can then think about the quilting.